Hi guys, it's Kiki. We are electric motor manufacturer, and now I'm in the showroom. Today I will go to introduce our motors for you. And you can see here, this is our single-phase motor with aluminum body, and also the three-phase motor with aluminum body here. We also have the single-phase motor with cast iron body, and the three-phase motor with cast iron body here. You can see this is our vibration motor. And here is the gearbox. We have many different types of the motor. And here is the brake motor, AC brake motor and DC brake motor. This is the motor special for the pump and so for the mining equipment. The motor have big demand for different equipment. We have the motor from 0.25 horsepower to 500 horsepower. We can make different efficiency from IE1 to IE4. If you do business for the electric motor, if you need more information about the motors, please contact me. We can share with you more information and power your business together.